talk about the freaking Ford Raptor grill. So, as a lot of you guys know who have been watching my channel for a long time, about maybe like a month ago or so, I made a video where I installed a Ford Raptor style grill on my 2006 Ford F-150. It fit any of them from 2004 to 2008. Showed you how to splice the wires in, you know, so the 3 LEDs in the front would light up and all that good stuff. Put that video out like about a month ago, and in the description of that video I put a link for how to get, you know, if you guys decided that you wanted a, you know, a grill just like it, that would be the place to go. So essentially over the last 2 weeks, and this isn't an exaggeration, and I'm not even like mad at you guys, so don't think that I'm, you know, like talking down to you guys and saying don't ask me questions and whatnot, but over the past like 2 or so weeks, I kid you not, I have answered the same question probably over 30 times, whether it be in the comments of that video or of another video or in my Instagram DMs, and everybody is saying like, hey man, I clicked on, you know, that link in the video and it brought me to a grill that fits a 2009 to 2014 F-150. Like, is that the same one? Is that gonna fit my 2004, you know, to 2008 F-150? And at first I was just kind of like, no, like, you know, no, you need a, you know, grill that's specific for the 11th gen Ford Raptor grill and all that kind of stuff. But then like the question just kept coming and kept coming and kept coming. So I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna like, you know, I'm gonna look into this. You guys must have like freaking broke the internet or something, because I kid you not, if you guys go and you guys try and find on Amazon or eBay a 2004 to 2008 Ford Raptor replacement grill with the F-O-R-D, not like the D-O-O-D or whatever. If you guys actually try and find it with the F-O-R-D and the 3 LED lights and that kind of stuff, it's almost impossible to find now. Like, I swear, like, every single one of you guys who watched that video must have like immediately turned around and went out and bought one of those for yourself. You know, I think that's awesome. You know, I'm happy for you guys. But I'm just saying, like, if you're hoping to find, you know, a grill like the one that you guys saw, you know, me install, you guys are gonna have to do some serious digging, because like, I've done a little bit of digging for, you know, other people. Like I said, like when I got the questions, you know, I tried to help you out and answer them. But I kid you not, like, I think there's maybe only 2 people now on the internet, one's on Amazon and one's on eBay, that I can find that actually have that grill for the 2004 to 2008 F-150 that have the F-O-R-D letters on the grill that you don't have to buy separately, and that have the 3 amber LEDs. So basically the question that I'm trying to answer is, y'all freaking broke the internet. Y'all went out and bought all the Ford freaking Raptor grills that are available on the internet right now. I think that's awesome. Like, don't take this as me being like mad at you guys. If anything, I'm almost just kind of like blown away, because I even went back and looked at the video and it was like, I think it's had over like 10,000 views already or something like that. And it's only been up for like, as far as I know, maybe a month or so. So I think it's awesome. I'm happy for all you guys who have been able to get one of these Ford grills. But if you guys haven't yet, you guys, like I said, I think I've only found 2 now. I was looking earlier today because somebody else asked the question. So I think that there's 1 seller on eBay and 1 seller on Amazon. If I can find them and if they still have inventory, I'll link them in the description of this video, guys. But I just want to put this video out there, kind of like a public service announcement for y'all. You know, like, this is where we're at right now. You guys are too awesome, and you guys went out and bought out everything. So if you guys are looking for one of those grills, that is the situation with that. That's pretty much all I had to say in today's video, but I looked over here just now and saw something that I think you guys will kind of enjoy. Hold on. So in this box, we have our next mod for the truck. So you guys know that I have Raptor lined my truck previously in the past. And just the other day, I saw that Raptor liner, the bed liner that I used on my truck, now makes an aerosol spray can. So this is black, but they do offer it in all the other colors that Raptor liner offers it. So I am going to be taking the Ford Raptor grill that I already bought and made the video about a month ago, and I'm actually going to be converting it to black. Now the reason that I'm going to be converting it to black is, for one, I want to see how, you know, the aerosol cans work in comparison to out of the spray gun, but also My birthday is in about a month, so I've wanted to do this for a really long time, and I think my birthday is going to be a great time to do it. I'm going to go ahead and pull the trigger. I'm going to Raptor line my entire truck. That's right, I'm going to Raptor line the entire truck. I haven't decided. I'm leaning more so towards olive green, like an army tank green. I think it would look awesome. I haven't been able to find another F-150, or at least my model year F-150 out there that has it, because that's what I really want to avoid. I don't want to do something that's already been done before. That's the whole thing with this channel, guys. I'm trying to do things that are new, that are exciting, and that are going to get you guys excited to go out and do things to your truck. So I'm leaning more so towards like, I think it's olive drab green or something like that, but Raptor Liner makes one, and I've done a little bit of research on it. It looks great. Or I might be doing like a lighter silver. Either way, the fender flares and the bumpers are going to be going back to black to serve as the accents for when I change the entire base color of my truck. So I'm super excited about that. Thank you guys so much for all your support. The only reason I'm making this video right now is because you guys went crazy after I posted that freaking video of the grill, and guys went out and bought out every single grill in the entire world apparently. So thank you guys so much for that. If you guys are brand new, go ahead and click that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up. You guys already know what the next two mods are basically going to be. I'm going to be Raptor lining the grill, and then I'm going to be Raptor lining my entire truck, guys. I'm so freaking excited about it. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any questions, as always, they go in the comments below, and I'll do my best to get back to you. If I can find those two sellers that are selling the the Raptor grills rather, I will leave them in the comments below, but you know, judging by recent history, by the time this video has actually gone live, you guys are going to have bought them all already. So, there's that. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you next time.